Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. I think this is a continuation of a different vlog that I was filming, but I kind of got lost in the mix because I was doing a couple things here and there. If you guys didn't know, major announcement, I'm selling my sneaker collection. If you guys want to find out why, you can check my main channel, which has a video up there explaining the whole deal and everything like that. But if you guys would like to shop, shopsotopia.com, right there. You can buy all the grails you want on my website. But today is December 23rd or 22nd, one of those. I'm on the way to Target right now because I want to hook up my UPS folks and my post office folks. I feel like you always got to show some appreciation to the people that help spin the wheels. So they're a major component in my business and what I'm doing, and without them, it wouldn't be possible to get these packages out. So I wanted to thank them. So we're gonna pick up some gift cards, and I have a feeling that it's gonna be stupid packed. We'll see how it goes, but I'm bringing you guys along for the ride. We have a few things that we're doing today. We're getting the freaking GX470 tinted. I'm still debating, I don't know what to do. I usually do 5% everywhere, so you look presidential. But for this one, I'm thinking maybe go a little bit lighter in the front just for safety reasons. But I don't know, like 5% is me. Random side note, but I just busted open this brand new air freshener, and I just picked up some pizza. The smell is disgusting right now. It's like the JDM squash smell mixed with pepperoni pizza. Now my whole car is gonna smell like pizza and squash. Right now I'm on the way to the homies Tint shop. If you guys want tint and you're in the Bay Area, hit up my boy Yusuf. I'll have his Yelp down below in the description, as well as his Instagram. He's the guy that I go to for all of my tint installs. All right, I've been going to him for a minute, and he always does an amazing job, and his prices are great. So if you guys stop by, make sure you let him know that your boy sent you. So as you guys know, I was kind of debating on whether I should do 5% in the front or go a little bit lighter, but I said we're just gonna go with the full 5%. So this is how it looks like right here. It's a little overcast, but I love how it came out. I'm honestly glad I didn't go lighter, because for some reason, just looking out of this, it just came out a little bit lighter than how my other ones came out. I don't know why, but I feel like I could see a little bit better at night. Oh, that's actually really good right there. That's what no tint would look like, and that's how tint looks like. So it's pretty nice. And the main reason I wanted this tint was to protect whatever I'm putting in the trunk if I decide to put anything in there. One of the things is that this car doesn't really come with a cargo cover. A traditional like SUV comes with a cargo cover. This one doesn't, because it has a third row seat. So there's nowhere for the cargo thing to pull. So they don't have that. So I wanted to make sure, you know, if anybody goes like this and flashes lights into it, I want to make sure you can't see it. So with this 5%, you just see your reflection. And it's like that at night as well. If you use the iPhone flashlight, you'll just see the reflection back. So that's something that I really like. It's the same thing with this, it's the same thing with this. So yeah, my boy Yasup killed it, bro. Thank you so much. Don't mind the car. I know it's super dirty right now, but it's been raining. I have mud on this thing. It's musty, bro. It's musty right now. And then I'm debating on slightly tinting the front, but I don't think I need it. I think I'm just going a little overboard because that black interior kind of makes it look pretty dark already. But I don't know, maybe like 30% would be cool, but that would be later on. But yeah, that's it. I just wanted to show you guys how everything came out. Again, amazing job. If you guys want any tint in the Bay Area, I would highly recommend Yasup. He's been doing all of my cars and I never have any issues when it comes to, you know, him working on my car. Everything always comes out perfect. He books you an appointment really easy and you don't have to worry about anything. So here's the quality of work. Look at that. And this is how the inside looks. Not bad, right? Not bad. And a lot of people ask me questions about it being legal or illegal. This is not California legal. Like I said, with most of my cars, I've had 5% all around. I've never had any issues. If you guys see a cop next to you, obviously roll down your window. But yeah, I mean, that's how it is. And if you guys get caught up, you just have to remove it or you pay the ticket. It's not a big deal. But yeah, that's going to wrap up this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe because I got more content coming soon. If you guys follow me on Instagram, that's how you get the latest updates with what I'm doing. But if you guys would like to support the channel any further, you go ahead and check out my website, shopsoultopia.com. I got sneakers on there as well as some other custom goods that I make. But I'll catch y'all very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. See y'all very soon. I'm out. Peace. ASMR. ASMR.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? I am David Guy Kicks.
Sneakerhead in the Bay.
Happy New Year. This is the first day of 2022.
They're gonna see this like 2 weeks late though.
It's okay.
What are we doing standing on this track? David and I are on adventure mode and we're bringing you guys along. We took the GX out today. It is chilling right behind that tree line. And we found this random train track with this pretty cool bridge. David spent a lot of his charm money on some lens right here. What lens is this?
This is the Canon 70 to 200 millimeter f2.8 version 2.
If you guys have been wondering why he hasn't been on YouTube, it is because he is now a professional photographer for National Geographic.
David McKinnon in the house.
Yes.
David, you know buying an expensive ass lens and a camera isn't gonna make you a better photographer, right?
That's why I just do this for fun.
Look at where we're at. There's the road right there. But we really wanted to go ahead and check out this bridge.
This year in 2022, we wanted to start doing more exploration videos and just bring you guys along for the adventure. If you guys have been watching us for a while, when we first started doing the vlogs and everything, we were going into bandos, we were doing some really sus stuff, and we got to bring back the young us. That's what we're doing here today. Oh my God, look at the lighting. Look at the sun. It's beautiful outside.
Wow. Stand right there. Let me just switch my focal length.
Make sure you get the f-stops right and the shutter speed.
You see the red ring, bro?
David's taking the shot. Let's go. We don't know if this is an active train track or not, but we're keeping our ears peeled. But I kind of want to explore past this train track. Are you willing to risk it for the biscuit?
I'm willing to risk it for the biscuit. 2022, you know?
We're just taking risks, huh?
Tomorrow's not guaranteed. Tomorrow's not promised, so we gotta...
It could be promised if we don't take this way.
We gotta live our life to the absolute fullest today.
You're right. Okay. Let's just go down here. Dude, all the cars sound like trains. My heart's telling me to do it.
What about your body?
My body's telling me no.
So what do we do if a train actually comes?
We don't.
What?
What do we do? We don't.
Wow. Nature. I think we would be okay actually because look, those guards kind of come out a little bit.
Yeah. If we're right behind the guards. So,
ooh.
This.
Oh, you can, yeah, step on here, you'll be good. Whoa, dude. That platform was not like, felt kind of weird.
Does it look hot?
Yeah.
All right, we have successfully made it back safely. David is doing a couple more pictures, but we're gonna go ahead and check out some other locations. Sometimes it's just good to explore. That's what we're doing today. We're literally just driving these back roads because we don't really go out here, and we're gonna see if we can find anything cool to shoot or to drive the GX on. We don't have too much land where you could just go off road and do crazy stuff, so we're just trying to find any like open fields out here and see if we could go crazy out here.
Look at the GX. I couldn't resist. I had to hit the mud puddles on the way here. So we got Bukkakeed on. Oh,
Dude.
where are we?
Guys, we're back at Disneyland Radiator Springs.
Guys, we randomly stumbled across this place right here. It's called Flying Service. Look at how cool this is. This is what you get when you explore. Look at this. What? 58 cents per gallon? Okay. We got the old school right there. We got a couple of them actually. Yo, I don't know what this is. This is cool. Let's peep it. Oh my gosh. Yo, that interior is actually, can y'all see that? Look at the interior. It's not all thrashed. This one's pretty cool. Yo, what the? This is sweet.
Yeah.
What do you think?
This is dope. I like it. It reminds me of Radiator Springs. I feel like I'm back in the 70s.
How's the shots coming out?
This is the only thing. Like, I like this lens so far, but if I want to take a picture of this and I want to fit this, I gotta stand all the way over here. Like, I gotta snipe this, dude. I gotta quick scope this real quick.
Let's just peep my parking real quick.
Can you actually move your car? You're in the shot.
My bad.
Ever since I got the GX, like all the curbs, everything that I see that's like a little bit of an incline, I'm like, yo, we going over that. We going over that. Train tracks? Yup, going over that.
I don't have the crazy zoom lens, but there's people crossing and I freaking parked my car in the sidewalk. Good job, Alex.
It's people like you.
Let's take a look at the house prices. If y'all want to live in the Bay Area, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,100 square feet for $1.1 million. Oh my god, this one looks pretty old. Let's see this one. 4 beds, 2 baths, 1,500 square feet. Oh look, it's remodeled. That looks really nice. I like that. 1.3 million. Sheesh. 1,600 square foot, 1.6 million. Crazy.
Seems like everywhere is gonna be bare minimum $1 million, and then if you want it nicer and nicer, it's gonna be a little bit more up there.
Stop. Don't.
Oh, sorry. That was so much more aggressive. It didn't look like that in the thing. I'm so sorry. Yo, where are we at, David?
We are in Hypesaurus HQ right now.
Wow, look at all of these charms.
That's it. You're showing the competition too much.
Oh, okay.
This is
My
just
bad.
a third of it.
Look at all these charms.
So yeah, this is pretty much where everything goes down. This is my station. We got the Dymo. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but it's a really good printer overall. We got over 1,300 different charms on the website from, what's the website called? Hypesaurus.com.
So we're back at the crib now. Sorry we couldn't get some crazy footage for you guys. Like, we literally drove around. We were trying to find open land, and I know you guys are recommending Hollister Hills and some other places, but we just kind of wanted to go to a place that's like somewhat close, not too much of a drive.
That's for another trip. We got the whole year to explore, so
if you guys like those videos, let us know in the comment section down below. But we did take those photos, and I brought my backpack, so we're gonna check out how these edits come out, because taking the photo is one thing, but editing, whew,
that's a whole nother part right there. Like, you can be the worst photographer, but if you have great editing skills, you can become a great photographer, you know? Does that make sense?
I don't know if that made sense.
Oh, I'm sure it will make sense.
Let's
Because
just-
that's me. I have like...
Or if I edit it, it will make sense when I edit it.
Do you put watermarks on your photo? You're that guy, huh?
I used to.
We're just going through David's old Lightroom photos, and man, look at how artsy this guy was. David, what happened?
Dude, like before, after.
It's just nice, man.
Dude, like
We used to take
the
pictures like this all
fog?
the time.
The heck, man.
Hit them with another one.
Another one. That's all I got.
Oh, there's one like so artsy, man.
It's crazy because after you do something for so long, you kind of have like a certain box that you need to conform to, because you think people like certain things, so then whatever you have in your head, it kind of just alters it, and you're not as creative. I'll show you guys right now. I do have some old photos on here when I was super artsy, and now not as much. But I'll show you guys.
But that's changing this year.
This year.
You're going back to the old ways.
To the Bay Files.
Yes.
Like, look at this. Look at this freaking photo. Like, that could low-key be my banner for YouTube. Or even just, like... Hold up. Wowzers. I think my favorite photography is car photography. Sheesh! So freaking good. One day, dude.
Maybe one day.
One day. It's gonna take a lot of practice, but one day.
Like I said, buying all this expensive gear doesn't make you a good photographer. You know, just because you have a camera doesn't mean you're a photographer. You gotta have that willingness. You gotta have that drive inside you to go out and explore and take photos. Something I'll never have and I lack. Oh, you just broke my laptop. Who's this?
Yo, what up?
Yo, what up?
Oh, shoot, that's thick.
Jeez.
That's stupid thick.
That's thick. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Ya para.
Ow.
Beetlejuice. Hey, yo, what the is going on, everybody? Hey, it's the end of the vlog. Everybody go to sleep. Happy New Year.
Alright, you guys, so Alex is sleeping. We're gonna see if we can stack some croc charms on his head while he's sleeping. Let's try it out.
2, 3. How is he not awake? 4. And one more. Me.
Oh, hey.
Oh, good morning!
It's on my face.
I don't know, where can I pick those up?
What is it? Oh, these?
Yeah.
HypeBeatsRS.com.